That's a little hamster.
What is it, Bella?
Well, then he let him out. If you let him go, Bill, if you let him go like this, look, he'll run around.
Oh my
He'll
goodness.
even come back to you. Look.
Wow.
Isn't that cute? You in the video? Oh. So cute. Isn't
So
it?
sweet.
Oh, he's going away, Bill. Oh, here he is. There, he's coming back. Isn't that cute?
Sweet. Where's he going, Belle? Oh my goodness. That hamster just won't come back. It's a hamster on the move.
What's that, Bill? That's Hammy. I'll take him out and see what she does when I take him out.